As the most recent market data is revealed by Crypto.com, the value of Pi Network IOU decreases by minus 3.23%. Unexpectedly, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Crypto.com reported the decline in the price of Pi Network IOU. This announcement surprised a lot of investors who were waiting for positive Bitcoin news. Therefore, we'll discuss the major cause of the sharp decline in the value of the Pi Network IOU on Crypto.com, how it will affect the launching date of the Pi Network, the price of the Pi Network on launch, as well as other factors affecting the Pi Network IOU price. If you are new here, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we post similar videos. Again, as always, his channel does a daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins. To be the lucky winner, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck, guys. According to Crypto.com, the price of a Pi IOU is currently $18.17 per Pi coin, a reduction from its previous price. The future of Pi Network and its ability to maintain its pace in the fiercely competitive cryptocurrency market are major concerns for many investors. The popularity of the brand-new cryptocurrency Pi Network has skyrocketed recently. Consumers may mine Pi on their smartphones thanks to its new consensus algorithm. Due to its unique strategy, the Pi Network has become well known among tech-savvy individuals who are constantly searching for the next big thing in the cryptocurrency market. The Pi Network IOU, which is a brand-new cryptocurrency based on a cutting-edge consensus process, has had erratic market performance lately. The price of the coin is $18.70, and it has had $610,877 worth of trades in the past day. Investors are now apprehensive about Pi's prospects because of a recent decline of 3.23%. Additionally, the Pi has lost 36.42% of its value from a week ago when it hit an all-time high of $27.17 during the past 7 days. Positively, the cryptocurrency is only 2.35% away from its weekly low of $19.64, which was its all-time low. Due to a number of factors including increased competition from other cryptocurrencies, concerns about its scalability, and skepticism on its long-term prospects, the price of Pi IOU has decreased rapidly. Additional components impacting the price of Pi Network IOU. Additional factors influencing the price of the Pi Network IOU include competition from competing cryptocurrencies has intensified. The cryptocurrency market may see fierce competition from more well-known coins like Ripple, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Another one is concerns with scalability. As the popularity of the Pi Network grows, concerns about its scalability and ability to manage additional traffic may have an impact on its value. Concerns about long-term potential. Pi Network has recently attracted a lot of attention, but there are some questions about its long-term potential, and if it can continue to expand in the fiercely competitive world of cryptocurrencies. Another one yet is market turbulence. The cryptocurrency market is infamous for its volatility, and market changes may have an impact on the value of Pi Network IOU. The value of the Pi Network IOU may be impacted by regulatory issues, the complicated regulatory environment in which cryptocurrencies operate, and regulatory difficulties in different parts of the world. Despite these challenges, a lot of investors think Pi Network has a shot at dominating the cryptocurrency market. They point to its unique approach to mining and expanding user base as proof of its power. Crypto.com's advice to investors is to exercise caution while investing in the Pi Network and other cryptocurrencies follows the disclosure. Before making any investment decisions, they have encouraged investors to undertake study and acquire expert guidance. This leads to another good question, which is the Pi coin a good investment? Experts weigh in on the prospects for cryptocurrencies. The Pi coin development team claims that this year, the general public received this smartphone mineable cryptocurrency and can exchange them for fiat. Forecasts suggest that the currency's value will soar over the coming years, reaching an estimated value of $50 per coin by the end of 2023. Pi money has been on a declining trajectory since achieving an all-time high ADH of $344, and by the end of 2024 it may plummet below $40. On the other hand, the development team is confident that a well-executed marketing strategy and strong performance will lead to a price of $60 by the end of 2025 for Pi coin. The smartphone compatibility of Pi currency mining sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies and increases its appeal to a wider audience. Furthermore, the coin is being designed with fresh use cases in mind which can improve its value even further. As Pi coin gets ready to launch, investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts are keeping a careful eye on its development. Its distinct attributes and growing potential make it an appealing investment opportunity, and its success may pave the way for other smartphone mineable cryptocurrencies in the future. The Pi network is a cryptocurrency project that uses mobile technology to make Bitcoin mining more accessible to the general public. It was established in 2019 by a group of Stanford University graduates, and its popularity has since increased. The SAP Consensus Protocol, which enables more effective and energy-efficient mining as compared to traditional proof of effort, PoE, or proof of stake, POS methods, is the foundation of the Pi network. The Pi network does not require the use of expensive mining equipment or specialized technologies in contrast to other cryptocurrencies. Instead, users can mine Pi by just downloading the Pi network software on their smartphone and using it once every day to verify their identity and maintain the most recent version of their mining status. Anyone with a smartphone can now mine regardless of technical proficiency or financial resources. Since it is still in development, the Pi network is not currently available on open cryptocurrency exchanges. However, the project has gained a lot of attention and has a growing user group that believes in its power to revolutionize the way we think about Bitcoin mining and accessibility. The Google Play Store has seen more than 50,000 downloads of the decentralized financial network Pi network. This demonstrates the network's rising popularity among users who appreciate its steady performance, cutting-edge technology, and friendly user interface. Pi network, which was established in March 2023, has flourished in the cryptocurrency market because to its distinctive strategy for decentralized financing. The network comes with a decentralized exchange, a platform for yield farming, and a staking system that enables users to receive rewards for securing their assets. A platform for yield farming, as well as a staking system that enables users to receive rewards for securing their assets. The network's success may be attributed to its innovative strategy, which creates a decentralized financial environment in an effort to address the shortcomings of conventional financial institutions. Due to the absence of a centralized authority or middleman, this system provides users more financial independence and asset control. The team is thrilled with the platform's development and success and is committed to introducing even more fresh features and enhancements in the future. Given its goal to create a diverse, open, and decentralized financial environment, the platform's staff believes its potential is limitless. The platform's future prosperity is anticipated with optimism by the network team as more users realize the value of decentralized finance and its advantages. Thanks to its user-friendly design, cutting-edge technology, and dedication to innovation, Pi Network is ideally positioned to become a pioneer in the field of decentralized banking. Finally, the Pi Core team invites innovators to make a range of contributions to the Pi ecosystem by developing practical and live Pi network applications, endorsing the ecosystem, and promoting all forms of legal local businesses. Pioneers can help, and also at the same time contribute their own quota to the Pi ecosystem. So guys, let's spend few minutes in reviewing the most crucial Pi network fundamentals and all that needs to be accessed before engaging in this contribution. That's all for today. If you have any business preposition, kindly send us a message in the email or Telegram link provided in the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly press the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.